So we need some soft white bread. You can use any bread you like, but this is my preference. We want to get a really nice toasty crunch to the bread, but we don't want all the ingredients falling out when you bite into it. Slice your bread into roughly 1/2 inch thick slices, and once you have your bread sliced, we need some crunchy peanut butter. Spread the peanut butter onto one of the slices of bread, be nice and generous, and next we're going to want to grate some extra mature cheddar cheese. So grate your mature cheddar into a bowl, and then we want to pile that high onto the sandwich. Once you've got a nice heaped pile of your cheddar cheese, we want to finish it off with a nice grating of Parmesan cheese. So grate over your Parmesan, again be quite generous, and then pop on your bread lid. Press it down a little bit, ready to cook. And the next step, we need a frying pan. Pop that onto a medium to high heat and add a nice generous knob of butter. Once the butter is melted and starts to foam, pop in your sandwich. Press that down. We want to get a great toasty crust on the bread. Turn it after a minute or so and press it down again with a spatula. Every few moments, just check to see if the cheese is starting to melt. So very quickly guys, if you can just hit that subscribe button below and give the video a like if you're enjoying it. Keep turning the sandwich so it cooks evenly. After a few minutes, you want to add another knob of butter. Keep pressing it down into the butter to get it really nicely toasted. Once you can see your peanut butter and cheese starts to slightly ooze out the side of your sandwich, you know it is ready. So pop your sandwich onto a chopping board, chop it in half, and you'll see all the beautiful gooey cheese and lovely melted peanut butter. Pop it onto a plate. You may love it, you may hate it, but definitely give this one a try.